Good morning, dear children. I welcome you once again in our English class. In our yesterday's class, we started our first chapter of English reader, and name of the chapter is Raghu's Adventure. Yes, we did this jet set exercise. So many of you have given very nice answers of these two questions, but those who have not done till yet, please do it and send it on my personal number. Okay, so in yesterday's class, we saw the different characters that are in this play, and the main character of the story is Raghu, a young boy. What we read about Raghu in yesterday's class, that Raghu is a 10-year-old boy who lives in a very beautiful village, and he has his parents, mother and father. Okay, though both of them works very hard to meet their daily needs. Yes, and Raghu is a kind of a boy who always like to help others, and in that process he always stumbles upon some adventure. He finds one or the another adventure each day. So today is that day only. So in the first scene, Raghu's mother is going to sell the flour in the market, and Raghu is asking for a drum, and Raghu's mother is just thinking from where I shall get the money to buy a drum, or from where on earth I'll find the drum. So in today's class we will learn, or we will see what happens next. Okay, so as Raghu asked for a drum, so his mother tried her best to get a drum for Raghu, but she could not find it. So Raghu's mother returned from the market looking tired and carrying a piece of wood. Okay, she looked out for the drum in the market all over, but she could not find one. So she got tired and returned home, but she had to get something. No, उसको कुछ तो लाना ही था अपने बेटे के लिए. So she carried a piece of wood, and Raghu quickly gets her a glass of water and waiting for her mama to give his drum. Okay, अब जैसे ही उसकी मम्मा घर पर आई, सो रघु गॉट वेरी एक्साइटेड. वो बहुत ज्यादा खुश हो गया. उसको लगा कि मम्मा मेरे लिए क्या लेकर आई होंगी, एक ड्रम लेकर आई होंगी. तो जल्दी से भाग करके वो अपनी मम्मा के लिए एक ग्लास ऑफ वाटर लेकर आया. सो मदर सेड, लुक व्हाट आई गॉट फॉर यू लिटिल वन, अ लवली पीस ऑफ वुड. उसकी मदर ने उसे क्या कहा, देखो मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या लेकर आई हूँ, एक बहुत ही सुंदर पीस ऑफ वुड. Then Raghu started thinking and talking to himself, what will I do with this? He could not say anything to his mother. वो अपनी मदर को कुछ नहीं कह रहा था, but he was thinking, he was talking to himself. मैं इस piece of wood का क्या करूँगा? Oh, never mind, mother. I have completed my homework and I have prepared the hay for the animals. Now I am off to play. लेकिन फिर भी उसने अपने आप को समझाया और बोला, oh, never mind, it's okay. सो उसने अपनी मदर को बोला, आई हैव कम्प्लीटेड माई वर्क एंड आई प्रिपेयर्ड द हे फॉर द एनिमल्स. उसने अपनी मदर को बोला कि मैंने अपना काम कंप्लीट कर लिया है, एंड आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड द हे फॉर द एनिमल्स ऑल्सो. नाउ आई वॉन्ट टू गो टू play. Now I am off to play. That means I want to go to play. This is my time for playing. Now we will see how Raghu tried to help this old woman. As you can see, this old woman is sitting near a stove trying to put fire in this stove. Yes, but she could not put fire in the stove and is coughing. Okay, so let us read this scene 3 again. Outside a hut, an old woman is squatting. She is sitting with the bends legs. Okay, so this position is called squatting. So she is squatting next to a stove and coughing. She is coughing because she could not put fire in the stove. And what is coming out of the stove? Only smoke is coming out, not the fire. Yes, and here a cow is tied to a post nearby, which we could not see in the picture. Raghu thinks of stopping by. So Raghu, after seeing all this, Raghu wants to stop here and tries to solve the matter. So क्या होता है देखते हैं. Now what the old woman is saying here, oh, these useless cow dung patties, they always burn my eyes. What she's saying to herself by sitting here near the stove, she's saying, these cow dung patties are completely useless. They are not of any use. They always burn my eyes. I am not able to put fire with the help of these cow patties. They are completely useless. They are just irritating my eyes. I am just getting irritation in my eyes, and how do I get hold of some firewood? अब मैं आग कैसे चलाऊं? I am old and haggard. मैं बिल्कुल बूढ़ी और एकदम tired, एकदम थकी हुई हूँ. And where is Paplu? Paplu, where are you? She is calling her grandson, whose name is Paplu. She is asking for him, okay, because she herself could not put the fire in this stove. Yes, so she is asking for her grandson Paplu. Now at that moment only Raghu comes in and asks that old woman, where is Paplu grandma? Is he at home? So वो उस लेडी से पूछते हैं कि रघु पूछता है पपलू कहाँ है? Where is Paplu? Is he at home? Old woman replies, Oh Raghu, I don't know. I have been looking for him since morning. वो old woman रघु को क्या आंसर करती हैं? रघु, I really don't know where is Paplu. I myself looking for him since morning. मैं उसको खुद सुबह से ढूंढ रही हूँ. I am trying to light the stove, but these cow dung patties are no good. मैं सुबह से इस स्टोव को जलाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, and These cow patties are no good. ये बिल्कुल भी अच्छी नहीं है. I am not able to fire my stove, with the help of these cow patties, and they give off smoke, and all I do is cough non-stopping. और ये सिर्फ क्या रिलीज कर रही हैं? These cow patties are just releasing the smoke. ये सिर्फ स्मोक ही फैला रही हैं, ये सिर्फ धुआं ही फैला रही हैं, और इसकी वजह से क्या आ रहा है उनको? बहुत ज्यादा she is just coughing non-stop, which is not good for her health also. Yes, I can't hold of any firewood either. Okay, and what she is doing, she cuffs and her hand strike a vessel and it overturns. और वो खांसते खांसते क्या हुआ? उन्होंने एक वेसल को, उनके हैंड ने एक वेसल को स्ट्राइक किया, और वो वेसल भी वो क्या हो गया? ओवरटर्न हो गया, मीन्स वो उल्टा हो गया. एंड everywhere there was a mess around her. Okay, and Raghu was seeing all this. So what Raghu said, here grandma, you can have a piece of this wood instead of these cow patties. अब वो उसको रघु क्या ऑफर करते हैं ग्रैंडमा को? What he was having with him? At that moment he was having a piece of wood. Okay, so he offered that piece of wood to that old lady and said that you can burn this. You can burn your fire. You can burn this stove with the help of this piece of wood. I'll also get you some dry leaves. वो क्या कहता है कि ये आप ये piece of wood भी ले लो, और मैं आपके लिए कुछ dry leaves भी लाऊंगा, so that you can start the fire. What the old woman replied then? No, my little boy, stay away from fire. तुम इस आग से दूर रहो. It is dangerous. But thank you for this piece of wood. When Raghu was trying to help her to start the fire, then what the old woman suggested? ओल्ड वुमेन ने बोला, हाँ वेरी गुड, तुमने मेरे को हेल्प किया. एंड शी स्माइल्ड एंड शी वॉज फीलिंग रियली थैंकफुल, बट शी सेड यू कैन नॉट हेल्प मी टू स्टार्ट द फायर बिकॉज इट इज डेंजरस फॉर लिटिल चिल्ड्रन. येस, fire is dangerous for you all, no? So you also should keep away. She should maintain a distance from the fire. Yes. And after listening to this, Raghu smiles and starts to walk away. Okay. अब ये कहकर उसको अपना piece of wood दे करके उस old woman को Raghu was going from there. But old woman ने उसको बुलाया and बोला, wait my dear boy, थोड़ा इंतजार करो. सिट बाय माई डोर, मेरे दरवाजे पर बैठो. आई शेल मेक यू सम डिलीशियस रोटीज. वो कहती है कि मैं तुम्हारे लिए बहुत ही टेस्टी, बहुत ही डिलीशियस चपातीज बनाती हूँ, और वो तुम लेकर के जाना. ओके, वाई ओल्ड वुमेन वॉज सेइंग ऑल दिस टू रघु बिकॉज ही हेल्प्ड हर, नो? ओके, वो उसने जो रघु ने उसकी हेल्प की, उसके बदले ओल्ड वुमेन ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू डू समथिंग फॉर रघु. येस, सो इन रिटर्न she offered some fresh rotis, some delicious rotis to chapatis to him. Yes, now he took those chapatis with him and went away from there. Now comes the next scene of the story. Here in this scene there is a bus stand, as you all can see. Here is a bus stand, and nearby a woman is holding a wailing child. What do you mean by wailing? Means रोता हुआ, बिलखता हुआ, means बहुत जोर जोर से रोता हुआ एक child उसने दिया हुआ है in her arms, अपनी arms में. Behind her a huge stack of pot. Can you see this huge stack of pot? Means पॉट्स का ढेर, नीटली अरेंज, नीटली अरेंज मीन बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से अरेंज किया गया. Now Raghu enters carrying a packet. Now here Raghu is coming with a packet. And what is inside this packet? Inside this packet there are some delicious rotis. So let's see what Raghu does with this packet of rotis. Here what the woman is saying to the baby who is wailing, who is crying. The woman is trying to please the baby. What she is saying, do not cry my baby. जब कोई बेबी रोता है तो उसको इसी तरीके से प्लीज किया जाता है, इसी तरीके से चुप किया जाता है. Do not cry my baby. Mama will find you something. Mama will get you something in a moment. Please don't cry my baby. The woman is also pleasing or calming the boy in the same way. And now Raghu enters at that moment only and asks the woman, why is he crying? क्यों रो रहा है? Then woman replied, he is hungry. Our larder has been empty for 2 days now. Now the woman is sad, and in a sad voice she replied to Raghu's question that this baby is hungry and we don't have anything to feed him. हमारे पास इसको खिलाने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है, because our store room larder is also empty for 2 days now. 2 दिन से हमारा store room भी खाली है. We don't have anything to eat and to feed the baby. Now Raghu realized that he is having some chapatis with him, and he decided to offer those chapatis to this hungry boy. Raghu said to the woman that, here little one, take this roti. वो छोटे बच्चे को क्या कह रहा है? ये रोटी ले लो. It is warm and fresh. बहुत ज़्यादा fresh है और गर्म भी है. And what the child did? Child immediately took that roti from Raghu's hand and stopped wailing. उसने एकदम से, उस बच्चे ने एकदम से रघु के हाथ से रोटी ले ली और बिल्कुल चुप हो गया. ही स्टॉप्ड वेलिंग. उसने रोना बिल्कुल बंद कर लिया. एंड ही इमीडिएटली बोल्स डाउन द डिलीशियस रोटी. उसने एकदम से ही सारी रोटी अपने मुंह में डाल ली और फिनिश कर दी. नाउ रघु ऑल्सो वॉज feeling very happy that the child has stopped wailing, and he is ready to play. And Raghu also felt very happy. Why he felt very happy? That the child is now playing with him, and Raghu also plays with the child for some time. Okay, so now woman also, that the mother of that child also felt very happy, she was feeling very satisfied and wanted to thank Raghu. वो रघु को थैंक करना चाहती थी, जो उसका जो इतनी काइंडनेस जो उसने दिखाई, उसके पास जो चपातीस थी वो उसने इतनी पोलाइटली उस बच्चे को ऑफर की. सो शी वॉज फीलिंग वेरी थैंकफुल एंड शी वॉज फीलिंग वेरी overwhelmed by this gesture of Raghu. Okay, and she wanted to offer something to Raghu. So what she said, I don't have anything to give you, but then she thought that she is having just one thing to give him, that is these pots. Okay, so she realized, yes, here, take this pot. She said that तुम ये pot ले लो and please accept this as a token of our gratitude. ये हमारी तरफ से तुम्हारे लिए एक जेस्चर है फॉर योर डीड, जो तुमने हमारे लिए किया, प्लीज उसके लिए ये पॉट रख लो. देन रघु एक्सेप्टेड दैट ग्रेटिट्यूड एंड गोज अगेन टू सर्च पपलू. पपलू कौन था? ही वॉज हिज फ्रेंड एंड ही वेंट अवे फ्रॉम देयर टू सर्च पपलू. ओके, सो in the next class we are going to read other scenes of this chapter. Okay, so till then you have to read page number 4 and page number 105. You have to learn the difficult words and word meanings of this chapter also. Okay, if you don't understand anything in this in these 2 pages, you can text me on my personal number. Okay, till then, take care of yourselves.